The if function is used to check if a cell's value satisfies a given criteria. In this example, we have some exam results, and we're going to establish whether the people passed or failed by assuming that a 50% is the pass rate. So therefore we are going to say if cell C5 is greater or equal to 50, the first part of the argument would be it's true, therefore we'd want to say pass, and if it's not true it would be fail. So there are two ways of making this formula, and I'll show you both. Start off by typing out the formula equals if logical test. It says what is a logical test? Is that greater than or equal to 50, comma. Now we're going to say if it's true, what we wanted to say. Because we're going to be using words in a formula, we have to use the inverted commas. Pass, comma. And if it's false, we want them to say that he fails. And close the bracket. So there it says he's greater than 50, therefore it's true, and he passes. If we copy this down, we'll be able to see that this gentleman here failed because his answer is less than 50. We can also make the formula via the function wizard. Go and look for your formula. If that cell is greater than or equal to 50, and because we're using the function wizard, we don't have to use the double inverted commas. It automatically inserts them for me. It's already telling me the answer is true, and he's going to pass. Try and create a nested if later on. It's quite complicated. You have to have it exactly right, but it's a good example for you to try.